Hello everyone, let us start the most important and the most fundamental topic of the physics, that is force and Newton law of motion. Before starting this important topic, first of all I am introducing myself. My name is Adarsh Kashyap and currently I pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering in the final year. From the last 1 year, I teaching in the online platform in the YouTube on our own channel. But from the last 6 months, I seen that we cannot add too much student so that we cannot share our knowledge to most of the student. So that I decided to join any online platform where the most of the students are attached. So I searched from most of the student and from the local coaching areas. I found that the Vedantu is one of the best teaching platform for where the most of the students are attached, because Vedantu can share the knowledge in the most affordable price so that every type of student are taking the knowledge from this. So that I decided the most important teaching platform, that is Vedantu. Before starting, I share that what is the motivation for teaching by me. I think in this time, the value addition to any student or sharing the knowledge by the most affordable price is the most charity work in this time, because due to this online platform, every student are get education only from the some getting some money, like the most of the online platforms such as Vedantu and many of these. So that this is the very charity work for teaching, and I also teaching as a passion, not by a profession. So let us start the most important and the most fundamental topic, force and Newton law of motion. Before starting this topic, I say that you are the ninth grade student, and the force and Newton law of motion, this topic is यूज इन यूर स्टडी अंटिल यू आर स्टडी. जब तक आप पढ़ेंगे तब तक ये टॉपिक आपकी ज़िंदगी में रहेगा. ये एक फोर्स और न्यूटन लॉ ऑफ मोशन एक ऐसा टॉपिक है. सो इसीलिए लेट अस मेक आवर बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग. इस टॉपिक पे बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. सो फॉर स्टडिंग द फोर्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई गिव द एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज स्टडिंग द एनी टॉपिक इन द फिजिक्स, एज माई एक्सपीरियंस, फिजिक्स में कोई भी टॉपिक पढ़ने से पहले आपको उसका डेली लाइफ एग्जाम्पल देखना पड़ेगा. और डेली लाइफ एग्जाम्पल देखने के लिए यू आर नॉट गो एनी वेयर, जस्ट सी अराउंड योर सेल्फ, you can find the lots of example of our physics. So before understanding the definition of the force, let us take the example of the force so that you can understand very well. For studying understanding the force, you can do it but you cannot understand this. So suppose that you are opening the door. What are you do for the opening the door? You just pull the door. What are you doing for drinking the water? You just pull the water from the ground surface. So you can see many of the example. So you can say that the push or pull of any body is called force. That is the fundamental definition of the force you can find in our textbook. But this is not the complete definition of the force. The complete definition of the force is that force is an external agent which can change the state or direction of any body. यानी कि फोर्स एक ऐसा एक्सटर्नल एजेंट है. एक्सटर्नल एजेंट का मतलब वी कैन अप्लाई फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, ये बॉडी के अंदर ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. सो दैट फोर्स इज एन एक्सटर्नल एजेंट विच कैन चेंज द स्टेट और डायरेक्शन ऑफ एनी बॉडी. हियर आर टू टर्म, स्टेट एंड डायरेक्शन. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टेट एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डायरेक्शन. Suppose that you are ninth grade student and you also seen the playing the cricket and also seen the cricket. In the cricket, when the bowler are bowling in the any direction, then batsman hit this ball in the opposite direction. So you can observe that the direction of the ball is changed. Why the direction of the ball is changed? Because the batsman hit the ball and applying the force on the ball, so that direction of the ball is changed. So you can say that the force is the external agent which are applied by the batsman to the ball so that its direction is changed. And what is the meaning of state? State means you can say that state means solid, liquid or gas, or you can also say that state means the body is rest or in motion. Suppose that when we are driving any bike or bicycles, so you for stopping the bike or bicycles, you can apply the external agent, that is brake. What are you doing brake? Brake is the external agent which are applied force so that our state of the body is changed from moving to stop. So you can say that the force is an external agent which can change state or direction of the body. In the as you can study abroad in the thermodynamics, uh, the state is changed from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Here we also apply the force. We are apply the force in the form of heat. So I, as you also are told already, this topic force and Newton law of motion, you are this topic is help and are connected to our study until you are studying. जब तक आप पढ़ेंगे कोई भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़िए, ये टॉपिक आपके लाइफ में हमेशा यूज आएगा एंड यू कैन सी द लॉट्स ऑफ डेली लाइफ एग्जांपल इन दिस टॉपिक. So thank you for that. Sita.